This might be my last video ever. Miguel just took my thunder.
My name is Miguel. I handle all the photography here at Reshoevn8r, and I actually had the pleasure of rocking these for like the last month. Let me know how I did on this shoe. If you'd like to see me cleaning more shoes on this set, or if I should just stick to the photography, let me know, man. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.
I've done this too many times, see, Ken. I think they're done with me. I'm washed. The soapy suds are washed away. Soapy suds is gone. We laugh about this, but if I don't come back next week, it's y'all's fault. Boom. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy video. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean up these 2019 Bred 4's that Akil has been wearing over the past few years. I told him, Akil, let me get those dusty kicks off your feet and clean them for a video. And he said, only if you clean both of them and not only do one shoe like Vic. So I said, all right, I got you. So today I'm gonna be using the Reshoevn8r Essential Kit to clean these up. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. For before and after purposes, I am only gonna clean the right shoe and set the left one to the side. Now the first step is to remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, I'm gonna go ahead and set them off to the side and grab our adjustable shoe tree. As you can see, the shoe is a little creased up. So what the shoe tree is gonna help do is reduce that creasing a little bit and keep the shape of the shoe, along with allowing me to apply some more pressure to that toe box to get a deeper scrub. Now that the shoe tree is inserted, first step, grab our bottle solution here. As Vic used to say, squirt some squirts. And begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I am done using the soft brush on the entire uppers. Let's go ahead and wipe this down. Now, while I dry this off, guys, let's talk about the 2019 release of this Bred 4. Now, some of you guys may know, but this shoe is mine and Vic Almighty's favorite Jordan of all time. Yes, the Jordan 4 Bred is our favorite. I definitely love the entire colorway. The uppers with that black nubug, you got the hint of like that cement gray, and of course, the splatter of red all over the shoe is nice. I mean, I guess it's not splatter, but you know what I'm saying, like the little hints of red. It's a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Now, you already know this shoe retroed a few times, but none with the Nike Air on the back, which you can't go wrong with the Nike Air. CK, you got them on that? Boom. But let me know in the comment section below, where does the Jordan 4 Bred lie on your top list? Is it top 5? Is it number 1? Or is it not even on the list at all? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll go ahead and give you guys a thumbs up to the best comment. Boom. But now I'm gonna move on to the midsole and take care of some of these deeper stains with the medium brush. And lastly, take care of the outsole with the stiff brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. There you go, guys. I am done cleaning the entire shoe, and as you can see, the uppers are looking magnificent once again. The midsole is looking nice and vibrant, and of course, that outsole is looking crispy. Now, the white part is a little yellow, and that is due to oxidation and wear, which we could remove with some Sole Revive, but I'm not gonna do so because this is Akil's personal pair, and I already know he's gonna rock them. And of course, we have a little bit of wear on the stars that we cannot fix. But now the last step is to set this aside and clean the laces. So we're gonna dunk them into our bowl of water and solution mixture, get it nice and bubbly. Then we're gonna rub them in between our hands, clean them up. That was solid, bro. right, nice and clean. Now it's time to go outside and let the shoe dry for a few hours. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let the shoes dry overnight, and as you can see from the before and afters, I straight killed it. Don't you think so, C-Ken?
I think they look beauty.
Beauties. Yes, sir, beauties. Go ahead and check out a full 360 real quick of how they came out. There you go. Just to recap, guys, I did use Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit. I started with the soft brush on the entire uppers, hit up the midsole with the medium brush, and of course tackled the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. Remember, guys, you can find the Essential Kit at Reshoevn8r.com and use my promo code in the description below. If you like today's video, hit me with that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, which you should be, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.